I do consider Elixir MD essential for all the surgeries I do going forward. Patients want to make sure you have good results. They want to make sure that the downtime is low, but they also want to make sure you're taken care of. And I think Elixir MD helps with all three of those things. One of my favorite things to do is seeing my patients walking down the hallway coming in for their Elixir MD appointments during the first week. Having done this for 18 years, I know the way they look during that time. Now I see the majority of my patients who are doing this when I walk down the hallway just look better. They just look more advanced, further down the chronological timeline of recovery than they did before. We are trained and dedicated to providing the safest environment possible. And I view the detox treatment from the Elixir MD, which is the blue light before surgery, as an important part of that protection. We know the blue light will also help shrink down sebaceous glands, prep the skin, kill the bacteria, to add another layer of safety. And I've had patients who've had infections elsewhere. They had a facelift before and had Pseudomonas or had MRSA, and they sense that. They know we're doing everything, not only to prevent infections, but to also have a faster recovery and to make the incision lines heal better. We're doing all those things and adding those layers of protection and advancement. I have only received positive feedback from patients who have had the Elixir MD treatment associated with their surgery. We're not pushing them out of our surgery center post-op anyway, so they're going to be sitting there for a good half hour, and that's when we put the yellow light treatment, the cellular repair, on them. Having used this now for 9 months, I really know that we're getting better results, faster recovery from it. Their mind is at ease. We're getting so many less calls during the week because they know they're going to be seen. A nurse is going to tell them you look great. They're going to get an active treatment to reduce that swelling, and they're just calmer. And that anxiety is what we're trying to eliminate from patients too. Makes our job easier when they're less anxious. It makes their recovery easier. And we've been able to incorporate it with efficiency with the systems we have in place. So I really like the mission of this company because it is really putting some of the best minds in plastic surgery together with a common goal of advancing surgical technique and results. With Project Sunrise, they're really working hard to speed up recovery with a goal of getting it within 48 hours. And that is very admirable, right? So we've really found our patients psychologically are less anxious, much happier, and again, raving to their friends afterwards about how easy the experience was.